we have now hit 500 subscribers. Woo!
Thank you, everybody.
Thank
who
you.
helped us.
Thank you so much.
Welcome back, guys. It's super loud in here because we're eating shabu and it's like a little nightclub. It's like super loud for some reason. Oh, what? Anyway, we're out having dinner for Jonathan's birthday! Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you.
Hi, guys! Zay, what are we doing?
We at a nightclub?
Oh my god. This chick is having all sorts of attitude problems, but this is our first time at Shabuya, and it's hella different from all the other shabu places we've been to before. Normally, there's like a shabu is like where you cook your food in a hot pot thing in front of you, and it's usually a shared pot, but here we all have our own pot. And it's like all you can eat veggies, all you can eat seafood. There's like hella different noodles, and like my food is overcooked because I'm still doing this, guys, but it's very exciting. Check this out. Look at this, look at this.
We have like a veggie bar.
I know, like veggie bar.
You get your own noodles, hot stickers.
Check out Leah, living her best life.
Is it yummy? So we are now at Old Navy trying to walk off this food. The food was absolutely amazing and it was all you can eat, and I don't know, always with all you can eat shabu and Korean barbecue I always feel like we're ripped off because we don't eat that much. But here at Old Navy, Zayana's gonna be asking for some coins. But
Hi, okay, check it out.
you know how to ask?
Now the coin, please.
A quarter?
Now a quarter, please.
Good job. Definitely not. She doesn't take after mommy because mommy, I don't know if Zaran's told you guys, but Zaran does not like to ask. You know, growing up, she did not like asking for ketchup at McDonald's, but she takes after me.
You gotta do it all the way.
Turn it all the way, babe. Whoa, there you go. Which one does Leah get? You're welcome.
I'll go that one.
Bump it that one.
Ah.
Whoa. Okay, let's go now so we can go home for Daddy's cake. Come on, okay.
And cupcake.
Whoa. What is this?
It's a Play-Doh.
It's a Play-Doh cake?
I made a size of it.
Oh, I love
I
it.
made the whole thing.
I love it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jonathan. Happy birthday to you. Okay, say. Here, hold the camera. Tell them what we're gonna do.
So,
Back it up, back it up.
you're having let's go. We have birthday cake.
She's saying, oh, look at my hair. She's trying to tell you what we did. We're about to put Zay to bed, but then we realized we didn't give Jonathan his birthday gift, so Zay is doing it right now. Up, 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 up. She's really excited. Really excited.
What? Where did this come from? I thought you didn't give me anything, you liar. To Daddy. Is that the beast? Am I a prince or am I a beast?
Yeah, beast.
Oh, wonderful.
Wait, Laddie has to open the card first. Show Daddy the card, the one that we got him.
I
Whoa.
don't
Thanks
like
for
that
always
again.
loving us, Dad. Oh, wow. Did you do that?
Yeah. Look in the back.
It's called Saxophy.
Saxophy by Zaya. Whoa, and a rainbow by
See this
Zaya.
rainbow?
I love it.
It's a good rainbow.
Hi, Bob team.
Alright. Alright. Ooh. Is this glow in the dark undies?
Oh, that's a good question.
Workout
Boxers?
thing. Workout.
White beaters or tank tops. I'm always needing some.
And funny story about the tank tops.
What is this?
Zay, every day she comes home from school, she wants to change into shorts and a wife beater or an undershirt, as she calls it, because Daddy works out in wife beaters and undershirts. So she said when I picked those up, they're for working out. What else did you get, Dad?
And I got a jacket. Ooh. Thank you.
What's that for, Zay? It's for your work.
Ah, thank you. Did you choose it?
No, I did.
Good answer.
I love it. Thank you.
Update, guys. This is now Zayana's room. Is this your room, Zay?
Yeah.
Not much has changed in here, and it looks like a teenager sleeps here. But we call it her room. Ah! I'm hungry. I am hangry. I told him he can only get this camera if we're out of here in 15 minutes. So let's see. Will we be out of here in 15 minutes or not? Let's see. Hurry up, let's go see how long Daddy takes. You found it?
Yep, found it.
Oh, he's gonna win.
Yep. Hi guys.
Mommy's hungry. Who else is hungry?
No, I'm playing video games.
Oh, you're pretending to play video games? Okay, pretend to play video games with your sister. Sit down.
I got Mario.
Oh, Mario.
Powered by your podcast.
Oops.
No.
Alright, you feel better after your nap now? Yeah? Even though you've been crying? Wait, what have you been crying?
I hurt right here.
Oh, you got hurt?
Yeah.
When did that happen? I wasn't here.
It was right here. And then I hurt myself.
Oh, are you okay now?
Yeah. That's my favorite.
So, the girls have just finished their nap. They sleep about maybe 2 hours or so now. We're gonna be headed to a family event, not too far from here, and to celebrate my birthday and our uncle's birthday, whose birthday was the day before my birthday, which is also my dad's birthday. So it's everybody's birthday right now. What's wrong? Oh my god. Mom just cut herself. What happened, babe?
I was washing the knife.
You were washing the knife and you cut yourself? Did you even cut yourself?
Knife right here.
There's nothing there.
It's right there.
Exaggerating. So yeah, you guys just saw we were at Best Buy buying a new camera for kind of a mixed use of things for my work, for real estate, for the vlog, like some certain shoots, or you know, sit down vlogs where we can, you know, shoot in higher quality. But also, oh, it just broke. Sorry, Celia. But also for Zoran, she's also up to something. I'll let her talk about it probably in a different vlog, but she's gonna be also doing some sort of content creation, and we're gonna be using it for that. But I'm thinking I'm probably gonna return the camera just because, well, I initially wanted to pick it up from Best Buy just because they had it. I hadn't really done any, you know, research on the, well, we did do some research on the camera itself, but like in terms of buying the camera, I didn't do much research. Now that I've done my research, the camera that I bought came with another lens, and I don't want that lens. And at the same time, when I bought the camera, the cashier was like kind of giving me crap about not getting the warranty, which I'm pretty sure he gets some sort of commission when he does that. And so I'm gonna return it so he cannot get that commission anymore as well, because he's kind of rude. But on top of that, we are wanting to plan a certain video shortly because we have now hit 500 subscribers. Woo! Thank you. Yes, thank you so much. So yeah, with that, we're gonna shoot something special for you guys, and we're gonna wrap up shortly because we need to get to this party, and I'm getting hungry.
Update on Zelia words. Her new word for her sister
It's
Ate.
Aya.
It's Aya.
It's a combination of Ate. What was the other one?
And Zaya.
And Zaya, yeah.
Ate Zaya.
Ate.
Aya.
Aya.
And then her new word for auntie is Obi. Like Obi-Wan Kenobi. She said Obi.
Okay, thank you.
Obi.
Obi. Okay.
Gotta stay away from Lolo
Oh,
juice.
and Tata, thank you. That's an old
Gotta stay
word.
away from the Lolo
Tata
juice.
is what?
Tata is thank you.
Thank you.
So we're about to have birthday cake one more time. No big updates this week. Well, he already told you. Right?
What?
Pleasure.
You got a new camera.
Oh, I'm returning the camera. I'm gonna be getting another camera soon.
Look, my last name is Jonathan now.
But comment below, what
Daryl
is
Jonathan.
your favorite cake for your birthday?
I know her favorite cake is from Baskin Robbins. Specifically, she likes the letters, like the frosting that they use for lettering.
Black chocolate cake with cookies and cream.
I like Black Forest. We're gonna have caramel cake, ice cream cake, and
Rum cake.
rum cake.
It is not weekend for
Dieting
dieting.
or eating healthy.
And then there's Daryl.
Yep.
It's also his birthday.
Had to do a
Cameo.
So we can remember that it was also his birthday.
So I'm gonna be 29 this year. If you flip those numbers, no, he didn't hear, but
If you flip those numbers, Daryl is
yeah. So I'm 29. I'm 29. He's 92.
He's the best looking 92-year-old we've ever seen.
No, all joking aside, we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog. If you guys like the vlog, please be sure to drop us a like and.
Oh yeah, and she can do a thumbs up.
Can you
Where's
do
your
thumbs
thumbs
up?
up?
All right, and subscribe if you guys are new. We'll see you guys next week. Bye. What are you doing, Zaya?
Doing a lot.
Don't drop it.
With camera work,
That's good,
it's got
that's good.
cake smeared all over.